You are all indispensable in the integrity, efficiency, and effectiveness of government. I implore you, upon you, to generate actionable insights to orient strategy implementation by both levels of government so as to avoid risks and losses, enhance integrity and accountability, and improve governance controls. A decade into devolution, county governments continue to grapple with myriad challenges hindering effective service delivery. These entrenched issues include, but are not limited to, 1, financial management and revenue collection. Over the years, the reports of the Auditor General and Control of Budget has shown that county governments have faced persistent difficulties in prudent financial management and limited capacity for revenue generation, leading to missed revenue targets and inefficient utilization of resources. This calls for enhanced efforts to facilitate public financial management reforms at the county level. On revenue collection shortfalls, county governments consistently fail to meet their own source revenue targets, leaving them heavily reliant on equitable share allocations from the national government. This dependency, of course, compromises their fiscal autonomy. On centralization tendencies, there are continued efforts to claw back on devolved functions which undermine the spirit of devolution, creating conflicts and confusion over roles and responsibilities. On disputes on divisions of revenue, ongoing disagreements surrounding the equitable sharing of revenue between national and county governments creates delays and uncertainty in budget implementation. And on human resource management, persistent industrial actions by workers, especially in the health sector, has not only disrupted service delivery of crucial services, but also continues to erode public trust in our ability to address their needs effectively. Also, the management of the wage bill is a major concern in the counties. I therefore call for a renewed commitment from the distinguished members of the CCIOs to engage in open dialogue and collaboration. Let's together identify practical solutions to all these challenges and those that face the CCIOs directly, strengthening devolution's foundations for the benefits of all Kenyans, protecting and enhancing democracy, the rule of law, transparency, accountability, and a human rights culture. It is with great pleasure and honor that I stand before you today as a chairperson of the Council of Governors during this crucial retreat of the executive and the constitutional and independent offices in Kenya. This gathering presents a unique opportunity for us to strengthen the critical partnership that underpin the success of devolution in Kenya. Our Constitution enshrines devolution as a cornerstone of a more prosperous and equitable nation. It empowers counties to be engines of growth and development, directly impacting the lives of our citizens. However, realizing this ambitious vision necessitates collaborative efforts. I would like to therefore take this opportunity to express sincere appreciation for the invaluable role played by the various commissions and independent offices in entrenching devolution in Kenya. Your dedication, expertise, and commitment to upholding the principles of devolution have been instrumental in driving forward the vision of a more inclusive, accountable, and responsive governance system. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, it is, however, concerning that some of the constitutional commissions and independent offices have not fully embraced the vital principle of devolution, which is a cornerstone of our national values and principles of governance, binding all state organs to its objectives. This includes state officers, public officers, and all persons whenever applying the Constitution. We must call for a paradigm shift in this retreat, constitutional commissions and independent offices to wholeheartedly reconsider their approach and integrate a devolution lens into all aspects of discharging their constitutional functions. Only then can we ensure that all citizens experience the benefits of devolution and that this cornerstone of our governance structure is truly upheld.